Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a follow-up video today on HBAR. We have done HBAR before. We're going to do a follow-up because it was requested. The doodles on this video are from the last video. Feel free to go check that video out in our YouTube channel, and that will make sense to you. Aside from that, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. Leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notification. Go to the description of the video below for all our affiliates that we use and recommend and helps us channel grow, as well as our Discord server where we trade live together and our other social medias. Thank you. Now let's get it kicked off here to HBAR, and as you can see, this thing looks like a little inverse head and shoulder situation or a cup and handle situation, and you see right here is the big bull flag here on a weekly time frame actually being built pretty nicely. Actually, you got a little doji this week, and last week was pretty much taking out the liquidity of the low. This week could be actually finding support and upside continuation. Now keep in mind, today is Wednesday, Trump's tariff day. Today is the day that the entire market as a whole can take a hit or do a short squeeze. Everyone has been probably loading shorts into the event today. So today you can possibly see a short squeeze to wreck out all the people who shorted prematurely, and then the true short will come after those people are squeezed out. They basically are going to be the liquidity. So just be aware of that moving forward. I myself am already short, but I am building my short, so it will be getting bigger and bigger as prices go up. All right, cool. Now, aside from that, speaking of my short, aside from that, we're gonna get on this now. So on the weekly, as you can see, bullish divergence on volume. As you're going to the downside, the selling volume is subsiding. So within a week or two, I do expect this to actually look for upside continuation. From our last video, this is what we were looking for on the doodles. You don't have to worry about the left side, but at least over here on the weekly, and we were looking for this descending channel to basically get filled out. We were looking for some kind of accumulation between 14 cents and this red doodle, which is 17, and we're there right now. I'm going to go to a daily so we can make more sense to the doodles. There you go. So this is what we were looking for. We were looking for HBAR not to lose this level over here, which is around 20 cents. It actually lost 20 cents, and the EMA right here, which is 18, 19 cents, crossed to the downside. You can see the yellow EMA crossing to the downside. This is where the head and shoulder actually started playing out. The measured move of the head and shoulder, I think, was right here to this 14 cent, and you're basically right there. I'm gonna remove this. Actually, yeah, just remove it. This is where we're looking for the accumulation. Okay, worst case scenario. So that's basically everything is going exactly the way it was supposed to. You can remove this. This upside that we're looking for. Oops. This can come from here now. This descending flag, I'm gonna clean up real quick. Okay. I would look at it like that. Okay. So you can see that, and it's a descending flag. So you can see that the downside, okay, this level right here was support, okay? It was support. Then when we lost it right here, it became resistance, and we can't get back above it. Let me get this green doodle out of here. Cool. So we have been having issue getting above this resistance, and that is being shown over here. Now, if we can basically hold above our 14-cent support, right there. If we can hold above our 14-cent support, then this is where the next liquidity grab will probably occur, and this can be the next move to the upside. If you lose 14 cents though, you know you have a much deeper dive into around 7 cents or so to retest this previous lower order block over here, 8 9 cents. Before that though, we're testing this. We're testing this bull flag right here. Okay, and that's why we want 14 cents to hold. If you lose 14 cents, that's when you have to decide, hey, is this asset worth trying to hold longer? But as long as we're above this 14 cent, which is right here, we're at around 16 cents. As long as you're above around 15 cents, yeah, above 15 cents, you should be looking for upside continuation. And here, I can actually clarify that real quick. Let's remove all this. Delete, 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 delete. There you go. So that's how I would be looking at it. If you can hold above the mid of the channel, we got upside. If the mid of the channel breaks down, I would be looking for the liquidity grab into the lower EMA, take the SFP, swing failure pattern, and then rise back above this level here. That's how I would be approaching this for if the level is lost over here at 15.5 cents. As long as 15.5 cents is not lost, I would be waiting for this bullish divergence to play out in a short squeeze fashion all the way into the cross of where this thing just broke down into like 18.5 cents for the first tap. And then from there, if it wants to come back down, find support at 16, 17, and then take a launch up to 20 and whatnot. So that's how I would be playing this. Keep in mind, HBAR is not a special child. It is going to do what the market is going to do. So depending on what ETH and Bitcoin do today with Mr. Trump's tariffs, everything is going to get affected. And I'm watching Dixie. Dixie is extremely, extremely important. I'm watching it. Ooh, I guess HBAR just released something interesting, a new EVM. That's cute. Let's see if people use it. So yeah, guys, that's basically all I have for you guys today. We're gonna wait for Trump to drop his news. I already was long on ETH from 17, or sorry, yeah, I mean I was long from 1780, whatever. I took profit around 19. It was like 1920 or something like that. And then I shorted actually in 1920, took profit at 1850, and last night I took a long around 1850, or yeah, it was 1858. I took a long and I got rid of it around 1878 in the morning, and then I took a short here at around 1880, and I'm gonna ride this 1880 short to around low 1800s, and then I will be long for higher depending on Mr. Trump and his news today. So that's my plan on ETH. All my trades are shown in the Discord server. There are people who are tagging along with my trades. So if you're interested, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that we use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So thank you guys so much. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you do. Leave a like, hit the thumbs up, give me a comment as to what the next video you would like me to make for tomorrow, and I'll do that as well. And yeah, aside from that, guys, I hope you have a good one. Wish you a good day. Happy Wednesday. Good luck with Trump and his craziness. And yeah, trade safe. Talk to you soon. Adios.